Hello, here's how to make a psytrance DNB drop using my new sample pack. So we start with a psytrance kick. Grab a drum bass snare and make sure it's not a psytrance snare. Those don't have much low end information. Make a DNB rhythm like this. Add some rolling hats and some percussion loops. Next, add a bass multi-sample of your choice and make a rhythm like so. To add a psychedelic touch, we have some psychedelic effects and loops that we'll add over the top of that. Now we just add harmonic information using the atmospheres. Finally, use a riser for some tension. Tease the listener by muting all the effects and adding a fill for a second, and you get something like this.